Hello, it's Sonia here with The Pretty Stitch. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, I'm so happy to have you here. So today is Wednesday, and that means it's the stitch of the week. So for today's stitch, I'm going to be using a G hook or 4.25 millimeter, and I think this would be considered DK weight yarn. It's simply soft, so that yarn is labeled worsted, but to me it's more of a DK weight. Alright, so today we are going to be doing the herringbone double crochet stitch, and on a previous stitch of the week I did the half double crochet herringbone stitch, but I thought I would do the double crochet herringbone stitch, and I do have a pattern that uses this stitch. It's a hat pattern, so I can link that below. And so to do this stitch we are just going to chain 8. So I have my 8 chains here. And if you can make a regular double crochet, you can make the herringbone double crochet. It's just like a double crochet, but it's kind of mixed up a little bit in the steps. So I'm going to work in, I have a yarn over first. I'm going to work in the 4th chain from my hook. So 1, 2, 3, and here's number 4. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to insert your hook in the chain and work however you want to in the chain, and you're going to pull up a loop. So you have your 3 loops like you would normally work a double crochet, and then normally you would yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2 again, and then you would have completed 1 double crochet. But with herringbone double crochet, you are going to pull through, you're not going to do a yarn over yet, you're just going to pull through, oops, yeah, I'm showing it off really well here. You're going to pull through that, just the 1 loop in the middle, like that. So it creates like a little, look to me, it looks like a little pearl. Then you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull through 1 loop. And then to complete the stitch, you're going to yarn over, pull through 2. And then you've completed 1 herringbone double crochet. So let's do that again. You're going to yarn over, start your hook in the next chain, pull up a loop. You're going to pull through the loop there. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So it might take you a little while to kind of get in the groove of it. I find if you kind of give a little tension on there, then you can just pull through the 1 loop real easily. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So as you can see, it's like a double crochet, but as I said before, it's kind of just jumbled up a little bit. So I'm yarning over, inserting my hook in the next chain, and I'm just going to pull this. I'm just having a little bit of tension so that I can pull through the 1, yarn over, pull through the 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the final 2. And I'm working in my last chain there. So I've got my 3 loops. Again, I'm just creating a little bit of tension so that I can work the stitch easily. So I have created 1 row of herringbone half double crochet. So there's 6 stitches. This one will just count as a regular double crochet. So now we're going to work row 2. So I'm just going to chain 3, turn my work, and then I'm going to work in this next stitch here. So this stitch I think works best if you do it in rows, because then it really shows off the herringbone look effect. But I mean, you can certainly just, you know, work in the round and not turn if you didn't want to, but I think to me I like it best in rows. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook in the next stitch, pull up our loop. I'm just creating a little bit of tension there, pull through the 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do that again. Got my tension there, oops, there we go. So I'm just going to continue across, and I will work a few more rows so that you can see this stitch in action, because it shows, so you can really see the effect after you've got a couple rows in. So I'm just going to work on top of my chain 3 there to complete row 2, and I got my 6 stitches. So there we go. So I'll work a few more rows so then you can really see it. So I will meet you back after I've worked a few rows. Okay, so I worked a few more rows so you can see the herringbone look there. So we have 7 rows. And I think it's a really cool stitch. It's just a nice little twist on a double crochet. It's very simple to do, but it produces a really cool effect, I think. So I hope you enjoyed this Stitch of the Week, and I thank you so much for watching.